Physical Sciences, Paper 1, September 2023. I'm going to start with question 2. If you want to see question 1, just go to the YouTube channel. There's a separate video on question 1 together with the solutions. So this is how question 2 looked like. The interesting question here is 2.2. And question 3, nothing tricky whatsoever. It carries on, and now we have question 4. 4.3.1, an interesting one. Question 5, work, energy, and power. Nothing surprising whatsoever. This is question 7, and now we have question 8. After question 8, we have question 9 on electrodynamics. Question 9 carries on to the next page, and the last question, photoelectric effect. 10.2, quite an interesting question. Just head on to the YouTube channel if you want to see the solution. But let's be honest with each other. There's still a few topics that you're struggling with when it comes to mathematics and physical sciences. And that is where I come in. So if you go to my TikTok bio, click the link and it will take you to this site. The one-on-one session is obviously focused to support your needs. And then the group sessions, you can invite a friend, a couple of friends, and we can have the session together. So let's say, for instance, you want to book a one-on-one session. So you're going to click on one-on-one session. So the first thing is the time. Do you want the session to be an hour long, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 2 hours, or even more than that? So let's say you want the session to be 2 hours, right? And then you're going to have an options to choose the date. You can actually book a date far into the future in September as well. So let's say you want to book a session for the 1st of September. Then you're going to decide on the time. These are not the only available times. I always update these based on my schedule. So you're going to click on 8 p.m. and then you will write your name there. Right? So let's say your name is John at gmail.com. You will leave your number so that I can give you a call in case I want to ask you some further questions before we go live and have the session. You will tell me the topic that you're struggling with. So let's say, for instance, acid and bases. You want help with pH and titration. If you have any questions, you can call or WhatsApp me on the number provided or leave your question on the side. I'm going to give you a call so that we can address the question before the session. The account number is provided the way you're supposed to make a payment, right? The payment is based on the number of hours you chose on the previous steps. Now let's schedule the event. And just like that, you're done. You need to take action now. The final exam is around the corner. I can't wait.